into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep.
We're getting coffee before our Yellowstone adventure. We got our coffees.
Go Fifi.
Cheers. Let's go see some geysers.
We're chasing waterfalls again.
I think it's so cute. We're getting a later start. It's 8 a.m. We gotta go.
Yes, we are.
We got dinner reservations at 8:45 back in town.
Somebody wanted to do like 8 o'clock because 8:45 was too late. I'm like, I think we're going to get started a little bit later.
Yeah, we gotta get moving.
So, it's okay. We're moving now and we'll get there eventually. I mean, it's another moody morning with fog all over the mountains.
It's supposed to be nice though, so we'll see.
We'll see how much quicker it gets better here, but we're not going into mountains really, so should be a fine day to be on ground level.
I'm already making him stop.
Winter there.
I know, it's crazy.
And it's fall.
Snow. That's insane. And then all the fall leaves up there. Oh my gosh.
Here we go. On to the next one.
We're about to start our journey.
Just left
I'm excited.
Grand Teton.
And we saw moose.
We saw moose and elk and all this, and now we're here.
So fun.
Yellowstone.
We're excited.
It's just beautiful out here.
It is.
So.
It's really not bad with the sun shining.
No, not at all. All right.
We have now entered Winter Wonderland. Who knew?
It's been snowing a bit.
Where did fall go? Now it's winter.
It's been snowing a bit on us here and there, so it's been interesting.
Oh my gosh.
You can definitely see, I mean, what is it? Today's October 6th.
It's crazy. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna go to the West Thumb Geyser Basin. Let's go. It's quick, it's too quick.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
You got so close.
really wanna know
Wow, we're literally right.
if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
So we just watched Old Faithful
It
go
was
off.
cool.
Very cool. We
It
got
was
to.
pretty much right on the dot, like 12:02 or something.
Yeah, they said 11:59. It was 3 minutes late.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
And it
They
lasted
said
like 2 minutes, I'd say.
plus or minus 15 minutes. So
It was pretty cool.
cool for sure. Now we're
Happy
going
we saw
to
it.
see some other basins for geysers. So
It's the Upper Geyser Basin,
there you go.
I believe.
So should be good. We
And
are
on to the next stop.
on to the next
And
one.
some lunch in the car.
Yep.
Gotta keep it moving.
The bison was the highlight though.
It was so cool. I like wanted to pet him. I know you can't, obviously. But I felt like we were kind of too close. But we were up on the walkway. And he was right below, and he was just minding his own business.
There were lots
eating,
of people just chilling with us.
And then he fell asleep.
He ate too much, he fell asleep.
Yeah, so it was really cool. I hope we didn't disturb him. All right, Upper Geyser Basin.
We are going to the Crested Pool.
It's so moody.
Very moody.
It's so cool. We failed.
We didn't fail.
We thought the crested pool was like colorful. It was not.
Well,
that's the Morning Glory pool,
yeah,
which is another mile or so.
Yeah, we didn't have time for that.
So we gave up.
So we're going somewhere else.
Back to the lodge and then lunch in Grand Prismatic Springs.
Here we go. Look at the big clock.
It's so cool. All right, here we go. Gotta go find Grand Prismatic.
That way.
Let's go. Ooh, creepy.
More bison. This one we're a little bit further away from. But lots of bison.
Lots of bison.
Mm-hmm.
He looks more scary because he's in his like.
He is. He's ready to go. No, we're not getting out of the car. You're not supposed to in here.
Hi. Is this not beautiful?
He's out there.
We just pulled right up on it.
Gibbon Falls. Because Gibbon Falls is right here.
Honestly, I think this view is more decent though.
It's beautiful out here.
So cool.
All right.
This would be a lunch spot. to
Good
eat
lunch
your
spot.
food.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful.
Now we're coming over to Artist Point here. So Nicole's leading after leaving Inspiration Point on the North Rim Drive. We're now on the South Rim Drive. Wait a minute.
Pop a cold one.
Oh,
Are you
sorry.
popping a
I'm
cold
popping
one?
a cold one.
Full day's festivities. Cheers.
Only one more stop.
Yep. We're gonna go try some wildlife. Even though we've actually seen a lot.
Seen quite a few bison, one moose.
One moose.
And then probably like 6 or 7 elk. They were all in the same area.
Quite a lot up close too.
Yeah,
so
yeah, so it was pretty good. I mean, that was a lot trying to figure out everything without service around here.
yeah, definitely download the maps because we got lost.
It's the National Parks app
Yeah.
that has all of them for all the national
Which
parks.
helps.
So it's helped out a bunch, and you can use it offline and everything. So we were happy about that. And
So now we're going to, what is it?
Hayden Valley.
Hayden Valley.
Hayden Valley.
Let's
is
do
our
it.
stop.
Last stop and then a long drive home.
17 minutes and then 2.5 hours home.
We got to make our dinner reservation. We got to go.
8:45. Let's go.
This is definitely necessary. So, good job, Kev.
Let's go.
Mr. Bear.
There we go. That's a better view. There's the bear walking away.
Hi, Mr. Bear.
Next wildlife stop. There's bald eagle.
Hi, buddy. We found some more friends. We're just everywhere
We
here.
were hoping to see more moose. More moose would be great. More moose and another grizzly would be cool. Far away grizzly. But look at that backdrop. And Yellowstone Lake. It's beautiful out here.
Look at the snow on the mountain. Which one?
That one that I'm pointing at right there behind the tree, that's Grand Teton.
Okay.
That one right there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this one.
Okay.
Mount Mormon. Not Mormon. Moran.
Moran.
Moran. Mount Moran.
Oh, cool.
Grand Teton.
Okay.
Mount Moran. Where are we at?
Glorietta for some Italian.
Yum, 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 yum.
After a long day of festivities.
Eat all the carbs back with pasta.
It'll be delicious.
Here we go.
All right, can anyone guess what we got for dessert?
I mean, if you don't know me by now, completely understandable because we only have a couple videos out there. But, you know, for family members, it's obviously tiramisu. Italian restaurant, tiramisu.
Delicious.
Don't eat anything else. Somebody, not gonna say names, and you'll hear this quite a bit, made me look at the dessert menu. I knew what I wanted.
I didn't know if there was other options.
No, there were other options, but not tiramisu options.
All right, hopefully it's good.
Looks good. So we were supposed to go home and go to bed,
My pajamas were calling.
but we found out that Snake River Brewing Company is closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays,
We must go tonight.
and they're open till 11. It is 9:40.
So conveniently, we must go tonight.
We must go tonight. So no pajamas for Nicole yet. So here we go, Snake River Brewing.
I know.
Cool sign.
What'd you get?
We made it. I got the Tacos IPA.
Which one?
Tacos IPA. Tacos.
Tacos.
And then you got the Hike It Out Hefe. Hefe was it?
Cute.
Yours is harder to see.
Yeah, I know.